Hi everybody, I'm Paula and I am going to show you some things that I got at the dollar store today. Yeah, these are art supplies and each of them cost $1 or less. Yeah, so I thought it would be fun also later on to do a picture with the things that I find at the dollar store. But this time I just want to show you my dollar store art haul or art dollar store haul or whatever it's called. I went there, got a lot of stuff. Everything was cheap. So I was pretty happy and I thought I found some really great things. So let's see what all I have. This is a Real Images sketch pad and I thought that looked pretty good. It's got 40 sheets, but look at this. It's so nice and it feels really good. I mean, for $1, I don't think you can go wrong with this. I also got one for paint and markers because you know I'm going to have some paint and markers in here, but this looks really good to me too. And it feels really good. Okay. I mean, it really looks like it's going to do a good job. Here are some paints. Now, maybe you could tell me if you have used anything like this. It's just watercolor. I'm taking it, but it's got some really nice colors. And I love how it's got like the palette with it. Is that what that's called, I think? Yeah, it looks like it has a place to mix. It has a brush right here, which is really nice. It's even like it looks like in French. I'm just guessing. Okay, I don't know French, but you know. It looks really nice, and yeah, I love the pink. Isn't that pretty? But I want to try doing some pictures with this stuff because, you know, it looks pretty nice to me. Does it look good to you? This is like 12 pieces. I am seriously sure that I had this, but this looks really good, and it's definitely paint. I noticed that a lot of these, it says that the name of the company is Jot. So I don't know, maybe they make a lot of things for the dollar store, but this looks really good too. And of course, we are going to need brushes, definitely, because when I make a picture, I am definitely going to need brushes. Now, if you look at this set, I think I just have them all upside down. I'm sorry. As you can see, I've never done this before, you know, so I'm like a noob. But I love watching when people get like dollar store hauls of anything, okay? I also got some makeup too, which I'm going to use to make a picture. And I will show you that in another video because I don't want to be overwhelming, you know, like in one. But look at this. This is Jot. Both of these are Jot. Are they like the leader in dollar art supplies or something? But these brushes are bigger. And I thought, you know, I'm going to need some big and little ones. So I've got 2 different kinds. So I don't know. This is going to be really fun for me to try to do a picture. Oh my goodness. I know I did not get this, did I? Do you see the sparkles? I don't know if you can tell that these are really sparkly. It's really hard to show you on camera, but they look like gel colors there. Can you see it? But it is so cool. And it says poster paint, and of course it's Jot. This is like, I didn't even know before this that there was a company named Jot. I really didn't. Did you? You gotta let me know because this looks amazing. This right here, I mean the glitter and everything. I didn't get poster board. Now I wish I had of, but I didn't. Okay, we have another Jot product. Are you kidding me now? I can't believe it. Okay, I can't believe I didn't even notice this, but look at this. These are neon crayons, and let's look at these. I'm just going to use regular drawing paper. I didn't get the paint and the marker one, but let's just see what this looks like. Oh, it's definitely neon. Look at that. That is bright. Yeah, definitely bright. I like how it looks. This is really cool. Okay, so I definitely like these. These are really nice. Let's put them back away. I love how when you get crayons out, it's really easy, but then you try to put them away and it's nearly impossible. Have you ever noticed that? You probably have. I really don't know what I'm going to plan to draw with all of this because I got a lot of stuff. I'm going to try to cram all this in a picture. I don't know. But I got these just because. Look at this. Disney princesses. And aren't they cute? These are adorable crayons. I know. I'm probably too old for these. I mean, if there's an age limit, I don't know. I seriously doubt there is, you know. They're just happy to sell them. Oh, these look nice too. Oh my gosh. Here, I made an L. Is that like fancy or what? Not really. It probably doesn't even look like an L. And yeah, especially since it's like upside down. But these look really good. Actually, they look like they're coloring really good too. And you know, they're Disney princess, so that gives them extra bonus points. And I'm so good at it, I just put them in and it fell right out the hole there. What? Okay, never mind. I know what I'm doing. But these, look at this, 48 crayons for $1. You believe it? How do they even make these for that? Look at this. There's like all kinds of colors in there. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. I mean, seriously, this just looks amazing to me. Let's see what the quality is. Look, there's even something I can use that's really light. Oh, it leaves lots behind. Lots of wax. Well, what did I expect for $1? Maybe the darker colors are better. Okay, let's try, let's see here. Let's try this dark one. Oh, it's dark. Oh, it has a nice shade to it. Look at that. I'm barely pressing down. That's pretty good. Okay, so this is going to be fun. So I don't know. I guess I'll try to draw something, but it'll be fun. Here we have some pencils. Now, why does it say crayons at the bottom? Look at that. And of course, the company is what? Jot. Hey, it's easy to spell. J-O-T. Yeah, I'm glad I spelled that right. It would be pretty embarrassing if I didn't. But these are nice. These are really nice. And they're not sharpened. I didn't get a pencil sharpener. Seriously, I did not. So I will just figure these will be okay. But, you know, I can kind of draw the pencil with it. I was looking for the other kind of pencils, you know, the art pencils, and they didn't have anything like that. Okay, I thought this was really nice, the art palette, because you can mix up all of your paints in that, and I didn't show you my markers. I definitely got markers. Do you believe these were $1? That just seems to me like unbelievable, because $1 isn't very much. You know, like say you need some markers. You're going to go to the store. You're going to say, hey, I can't afford those. I'm pretty sure you could take your change in and get them. What's your favorite color out of these? Put it in the comments, would you? My favorite color kind of changes a little bit. Actually, I love pink. I can't help it. I love pink. Probably because I loved Barbies when I was little. Still love Barbies. I know I've got a problem, but I love pink. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice color. It's like a rose. Yeah, that's really nice. And these actually have a lot of color to them. But my second favorite color was always spring green, because my mom had a beautiful dress that was spring green. Now this isn't exactly spring green. More like this color of green up here is spring green. This is like a darker, but it's still pretty. Green is relaxing. To me, it is. I don't know, but these markers are good. I can tell you that right now. They're kind of dark. I don't know how I'm going to do a picture with them, but it'll be fun because, you know, I have never really done a picture with markers since I was little. So we'll see. And I don't think I showed you these yet. These are also Jot, and 20 markers, okay, for $1. How did they even do that? I really don't understand how they do that. So let's see. Oh, this is taped, of course, or you would just like lose it. But another color that I dearly love is aqua, which is kind of like an oceany blue green. I just love color. Color is so awesome. Oh, that's nice. I like that color. Look at that. That's nice. I don't know, can you see it? It probably just looks like a big blob. Yeah. Okay, well these markers seem to be drawing pretty well also. Have you ever drawn pictures with markers? I see that there's so many people like Apple Mint that I'm thinking of that does Copic markers. Is that what they're called? I think. But she is so good at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, these look awesome to me. Okay, I know I'm not going to mix the markers in this. I don't know why I have them all together. But, you know, I think I did pretty good getting stuff. And I still have some left. Okay, this might look like the other one I got, but it's different colors. Let me show you. See? Like this one has white, this one doesn't. This one doesn't have pink either. So I got both sets because I didn't know which one I'd want to use. And you never know what I'm going to come up with for a picture. But look at all the brushes. Everything came with brushes, which is really neat. And, you know, that really helps. This is stickers where you can get your girl and you put clothes on her. Yeah, I don't see any dudes in here. I mean, maybe there are some, but is this neat or what? Look at that. Oh my gosh. And shoes. They have like awesome shoes that if I wore them, I would probably like trip and hurt myself. But these were so neat. I actually had to get 2 packs. I know, I splurged. They were each $1 and it's a jot too. I mean, they're so long I can't even show you. But wait a minute, let's get it in there so I can prove it. See, it's jot. Isn't that neat? But I thought these were so cool. I mean, I want to do a picture, seriously, and show you guys and make a character out of these. I know it probably sounds really dumb, but I want to do it. Because, I mean, actually I could do it right now, but no, I don't want to do it right now. I'm going to do it later. But I think that is so neat. And I would like to get more of this type of thing because I think that's so neat. I mean, like, look, you could take this little girl right here and put this little outfit on her. That's so cool. You can just design your own people. Yeah, like nobody's ever done that before. But I thought that was so neat. It kind of reminds me of paper dolls. Did you ever play with paper dolls? When I grew up in the 60s, yeah, I was born in 1960, so we had paper dolls, seriously, and I loved to dress them. And in fact, there was a magazine called McCall's that had Betsy McCall, and I loved to dress her. Every time my mom got that magazine, I was so excited because I would get Betsy out of there and I would dress her and play with her, and I had so much fun. But I don't know if you guys still play with paper dolls, but these are so cool. Let's just pull it all up here and you can just see I got a ton of stuff. Okay, we got the stickers. I'm going to try to put them here but not be too overbearing. Wait, too late, right? Okay, we got those 3 different crayons, and I'm putting them all upside down. I just now realized that. All of these, I'm just putting them upside down because I want you guys to like turn your heads around and all that. No, what? And of course the Disney princess, which they're so cute. Markers. Okay. Do you think I got enough? I think I got a lot. Pencils. Brushes. Lots of brushes. So many brushes. I'm not going to need all these. The glittery paint, which excites me for some reason. I don't know why. I just love glitter. The palette, which is nice. And this. Okay, I think I did pretty good. Oh, I missed something. And 2 art pads. So, you know, add them all up. That's what I spent. They were each $1. Seriously. But I think they're all bargains. Seriously, all of them. I would get them all again. So guys, you have fun. I just wanted to show you my dollar art supply haul. And I got a lot of neat art supplies, I think, definitely. And I do want to draw a picture with these, and we will do that later. But guys, you have fun, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.